Hey, your car guy, Bill DeBoer over here at DeBoer's Auto. I just wanted to make a quick video and talk to everybody today about reducing cost and extending your vehicle's life. And the way that we do that is by preventative maintenance. That's the foundation for affordable car ownership. When we talk about preventative maintenance, it's what's going to make your vehicle last the longest and have fewer breakdowns that cost you a lot of money. So a MEMA study from 2024 showed that vehicles with regular preventative maintenance performed lasted anywhere from 50 to 100,000 miles longer than one that was not maintained. So that is a big stat right there. But the other thing that cascades from that is that the longevity can save you even that much more. So the longevity, the total time that you own the vehicle, if you have it that extra 50 to 100,000 miles, it can save you anywhere from 15 to 25% on your ownership experience there. So it's very, very important that you take care of these preventative maintenance on a regular scheduled maintenance plan that we can help you do here at DeBoer's Auto. Our advisors are trained and know how to do this, as well as our technicians. They can help you prioritize what is needed most. And when we talk about preventative maintenance, we talk about things like the oil changes are obvious. That's what comes to most people's minds, but also maintaining the fluids in the vehicle. So having fresh coolant, having fresh transmission fluid, changing the differential fluids. These are all things that go into that maintenance cycle and help keep the vehicle lasting even longer. The other piece of it here at DeBoer's Auto too is that we have what we call ASEIs. And if you don't know, that ASE is what certifies technicians in our industry. That's the credentialing body. And we're not just a quick lube place. So when you have one of our experienced ASE certified technicians look at the vehicle, it can save you even more money, because that experience and education that they have compared to a quick lube center that, sure, they can change your oil, but they can't spot the problems that are coming down the road like a master technician does at DeBoer's Auto. So it's very important that you bring the vehicle in and have somebody that's ASE certified look at the vehicle. So the other piece of it too is what we see on average when somebody comes in for a preventative maintenance item or a repair that's scheduled. Typically the cost is anywhere from $200 to $500. And we compare that against the repairs, or when you get into that reactive cycle where you're repairing the vehicle instead of maintaining it, those repairs end up being thousands of dollars in visits. So we want to get you into the maintenance cycle and taking care of your vehicle so that you can drive it longer and save even more money. So for this and some other tips, head on over to autorepair.shop.